Now that we have taken it up top, we're going to look around. You can see we got new brakes, but we have plenty of flavor, ladies and gentlemen. Brake pads are new. We got some exhaust that is new, which is very good. Oil pan seems to be original and not leaking, which is actually very good. Oh, there, we found some backing plate. Oh, but you know what we didn't find? We didn't find a cotter pin here. We didn't find a cotter pin here, and it looks like they got a new tie rod and a new inner tie rod and a new ball joint. Huh, let's go to the other side. Oh wow, there's no cotter pin there either, and there's no cotter pin there either. That's not good. You know what else is not good? This parking brake cable is not good. You can see corrosion definitely got to that one. Oh, and they decided to zip tie it up there. Well, I guess it's not hanging down. O2 sensor still sensing. Very good. Let's go a little further back, because you know the further we go back, the further into flavor country we go, and we can see that we most definitely have a petrified rear differential here. We also have a petrified subframe, but in this case, wow, we're missing a lot of metal here. Oh, flavor chips galore. Wonderful. So the back. Let's talk about the backing plates. How they are struggling at existence. They're in crisis. This side, oh, yep, this side has made it, and it is gone. And we can definitely tell we have some abnormal wear happening with the brakes. Tires are brand new because I just mounted and balanced 4 brand new tires, but look at that rotor. Would you look at that rotor? Let's go look at the other rotor. Oh yeah, just as bad. Very good. Oh, that eccentric will never move. It looks like it's a part of the subframe at this point. How's the other one look? Yep, looks like it's part of the subframe, and I could see some Goomba put the exhaust in. That's what the spring is supposed to look like, and it looks like they just mashed this one on. Wow. Oh, Napa know-how. Gonna go with the Napa Legend battery. Did it have a Napa Legend? I'm not even sure. I don't even remember. And that was like a couple of minutes ago. Alright guys, say something positive about this car besides all the new parts. Oh, look at that, we got a pinion seal leak. Oh, here's one positive thing. At least that valve cover there is not leaking as hard as the one in the front. Alright, very good guys. You know what to do. If you don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further petrification.